Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning yet another problem of the circle. So in today's video, we're going to find the equation of the circle when we're given a center, right? The center of the circle and at any given point in the circumference of the circle. So let's begin. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're going to tackle the following problem. What is the equation for the circle with center 5, 11 that passes through a point 9, comma minus 2, right? So remembering the formula of the equation of the circle, we're going to have x minus h squared plus y minus k to the power of 2 is equal to r to the power of 2. Now, the important thing about this problem is that we're given the center already, right? So that is going to be very, very useful because then these values were already given. But we do not know what is the value for the radius. Now, because we know the coordinates of one point, right, any given point of the circumference, then we're going to find the distance from that center to the point, okay? Now, in this case, we're given that the center is 511 and that it passes through 9 comma minus 2. So this point is going to be in the circumference. Now, the distance or the radius is going to be equal to the square root of, and let's just put the formula of distance. So it's going to be y2 minus y1 to the power of 2 plus x2 minus x1 to the power of 2. Now that is going to give us minus 13, right, to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2. Now we know that whenever we take the square root out of 13 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2, right, so 13 is going to be a value of 169, and then when added plus 16, which is 4 to the power of 2, we're going to get a value of 185, right, the square root of that. That means that the radius is going to be the square root of 185. Now, whenever we put the formula of the circle, we have to remember that we're going to raise that r to the power of 2. So we're going to go x minus h, which is 5, to the power of 2 plus y minus k, which is 11, to the power of 2. And that is going to be equal to r, which is square root of 185, but raised to the power of 2. Right, so that means that the final formula is going to be this one, where you can see that the power of 2 and the square root are canceled. So there you go, guys. You're gonna have your equation given a center or a point. First thing you do, calculate the radius, and you just organize the values you were given of the center and the radius to the power of 2, and that's pretty much it. So let's see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!